interestingly, Felix, coming into the day, you do get like it's all life is this way, right? It's where you're so blessed to be when certain things happen. I prefer to be long Apple in like after a couple down days than buying it at the all-time highs, right? But now it's going to move there.
It's at all-time highs. It was actually on all-time highs yesterday in a really bad market day. So people are I think, warming up to this story. We went through a client note yesterday night on all the details. It's a messy quarter because of timing in China. But the big reason why the stock is up is because of the rosy forecast on iPhone sales for the upcoming holiday season. And China is a big part of that. Apple guided to December quarter revenues 5% above Bloomberg consensus, and roughly in line with what we were expecting from my model. The biggest takeaway is that Apple can drive a super cycle without Apple Intelligence. I've said this 1,000 times. Sell side just doesn't get this. There are 4 sell and short ratings on Apple, 21 holds on this mega cap because people think Apple Intelligence just sucks. Okay. I think, right now the sentiment has been very negative on Apple. It's been a very popular funding short for the last 2 to 3 years. We were short Apple last year, not because of Apple Intelligence, but because of China. And now the pivot's happening. Upgrades are coming, including a major one this morning. Estimates are going up. And I still firmly believe Apple can outperform the Mag 7 next year. This is something no one's going to be talking about until next year. But I think it's a bold claim. And, Apple should get their groove back. And Tim Cook, very optimistic last night.
I've been talking about alpha all morning. That's called picking stocks at the right time and generating alpha. That is phenomenal. And that's the value in having a team, right? Like, one of our, like me or another person will go cold, and you might think I'm cold on gold or something like that because it doesn't go up every day anymore. But I got Felix, right? So I can screw up. I can strike out because he just hit a grand slam.
Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.